What's up, guys? How you doing? I'm Jake coming at you. So now let's take a look at the quick setting of this beautiful Pixel 2 device. Straight away, let's jump into the settings section and let's take a look. Now, you might wonder what is this? Why it's so dark? Because it's a feature in the Android called night mode. They just applied it. So you go to display, you go to where is it? Dark theme. There you go. Dark theme. So dark theme is going to enable your let me try just to fix this. Let me try to switch it to night mode so it looks better. Nope, didn't look better. Just 1 second. It's too aggressive. I mean, the lights is too aggressive. Let me just reduce the intensity. Yeah, around that. That's beautiful. I'm trying to calibrate the colors for your eyes, for the watcher's eyes, not my eyes, because it looks good anyway. But for you watching in YouTube, you should see it in the best way possible. I mean, the screen itself. All right, so let's go to display. There's something called dark theme. Once you click on it, let's go dark. So one click, white. One other click, dark. There you go. And it's really great for your eyes if you're in your bed or you want to check your phones. This is really great because the black are really black. It's no joke, man. It's like turned off. There is no pixels, guys. Which is gonna help with your battery life as well. It's really great. Now, before I just also go with anything else, I want to start from the beginning, okay? Because it's a quick setting, I want to start from the beginning. Let's take a look at the network. So here, we have the hotspot, we have data saver. Now, here's the data saver. I think this is something new. It's not applied in all other phones or some phones. So here, let's just read this. To help reduce data usage, data saver prevents some applications from sending or receiving data in background. An app you're currently using can access data, but may do so less frequently. This may mean, for example, that images don't display until you tap them. So basically anything running in the background, this really gonna restrict it. So that's really good. It's gonna help you also in other things, like for example, saving your battery life, which is really helpful. Let's go to the advanced VPN as usual. And if you want to privatize your network, you can just customize your DNS here. But I suggest you don't play with this. If you're a regular user, just keep it as default. Now, let's go to connected devices. There you go. So this is the, just go back a little bit. So this is the Bluetooth and NFC. Here you can just click pair new device. Easily you can pair with it. And here you can choose your connection. There's an NFC as well. So this is great. There's a cast. You want to cast on your TV directly. This is great. This is where your files being received. If you receive files through Bluetooth, this is how fast you can access them instead of just going to your My Files and just looking for it looking for it. Here you can just follow straight away from connection preference and to files received via Bluetooth, which is great. Now, one more addition here, which is the Chromebook. So if you have a Chromebook, it will be easier to connect your phone through your Chromebook, transfer data, edit data, everything else through the Chromebook. This is really great if you are a Chromebook user. The Pixel is very, very excellent device as a phone. When you have a slow Chromebook, that will really help you out doing your regular work, of course. So this is about network. Let's go to connected devices. Oh, finished it on connected devices. Let's go apps and notifications. All right, so Android 10, what do we have here? We have different new layout here, as you can see. Just 1 second. Try to help you guys reduce. There you go. So here, as you can see, we have camera apps, and we have photo, and we have YouTube. This is the recently opened app. So this is great if you're actually regular user. You want to know what did you actually looked at lately. It will be easier for you to just go to app notifications, see what apps been opened recently and how many minutes you spend on each application. As you can see, 95 minutes ago, 25 minutes ago in photos, and 95 minutes ago in YouTube, 20 minutes on cameras. This is how much I spend my time on. That is, you can see all other applications, but for now, these what you can have or can see. So this is a great way to monitor yourself. Not to mention there's other ways you can monitor yourself as well. So let's see here, notification. You can go to notification, and there you go. So it just try to explain to you how you view your notification when you slide down. Here's the way. Simply click on it and click back. You can silence in each notification. For example, let's show you. Try this one. So once the notification have, you can silence each one. This doesn't help because this is just the explanation. So there you go. One more thing also. Let me just show you. What's going on with the camera? The camera going crazy. Anyways, yeah, there you go. This is one of the things that you can see in our notifications here. See all about last day, see all from last day. So that's 7 days, sorry. This is just for the last 7 days. You can check all application that you opened and how much time you spend on it, which is really great way to, for retrospective, so to speak. Let's go to the battery. Now the battery, here's the battery, as you can see. Let me just know this a little bit. So the battery, as you can see, actually in Android 10, it's way better. It is actually way better because I tried it before when I bought this phone. It was the Android 9, and I actually did a speaker test. I recorded the one music in Android 9, and then I recorded another music, the same music, but with the updated Android 10, just to see if there is an improvement in the speaker department. And this video is going to drop later on. But for now, let's go back to the battery. As you can see, no amount of battery, perhaps too much battery, your phone will suggest actions. So let's look at the battery. So it's on. It's already on, guys. And this is really great way to monitor your applications, and it's a smart way. We also have the battery percentage. You can see your battery percentage over here. And here's a full charge lasts about 2 days and 3 hours. Just tell you how much you can spend this phone. So you have 2,800 mAh battery, and the estimation is around 2 days and 3 hours of normal use, which is crazy, right? It's really crazy. But if you're a gamer, if you like to play PUBG and everything on this phone, trust me, it won't last more than 4 hours, or the most likely 4 or 5 hours. The battery cannot handle the PUBG games, for example. So it's not for gaming, guys. The Pixel 3, Pixel 2, the smaller one, is not for gaming. It's just for regular works like tasks, multitasking, etc. It's beautiful. So what else? Screen usage 9 minutes. Let's go back, or let's just look at the battery usage. I don't think, oh yeah, it's recorded. So what is this? This is the estimation, guys. Oh, this is how Google, see, this is how AI works. They just estimate how if you're gonna use your phone this way, this is how gonna be the curve until you finish this. This is if you just keep the screen on time, for example. Really beautiful, man. Battery usage isn't available. No, I can't just do that. I can make it available by showing the full device usage. It's 10 minutes. Anyways, I still didn't use it, so I'm going to show you later on how much battery life is used from 100% till the end. But this is about the battery, guys. Next is the display. By the way, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Any information, extra information I don't know about, any question you would like to know. Nightlight. What is a nightlight? Let's take a look. So here you can schedule your nightlight. Now, what is a nightlight? The nightlight is, why is Bluetooth open? Is this guy over here? Yep. It's where you have the screen dimmed or taken out the blue light. Now, the blue light is when your screen is just give you this really high brightness and the blue content in it, which is really gonna hurt your eyes in the long term. So the night light, or the what do you call it in other devices? They call it other ways. Each company use terminologies, different terminology, but it's just dim the screen to yellow so you can read, watch content while you're in bed or total darkness. No issues at all. And this is what nightlight is. So here you can schedule it, and you can schedule it at night, whatever you want. There you go. Wallpapers. Now we know this wallpaper, the changing or live wallpapers. So you can go there and, switch whatever you want. This is the dark theme that I'm using now. So nothing special here. This is the screen timeout. You would like to have it 1 minute. Yeah, keep it 1 minute. Why not? After 1 minute, it's gonna turn off. Auto rotation, color boosted. Now, this is the colors. You can see you can put it in natural, saturated, or boosted. I just keep it boosted because this is what I think it came for. I'm keeping it real. Just keep it real. There you go. Font size, display size. That's in every phone. Screensaver, clock. You can choose your type of screensaver. You want to have a clock, color, photos. Just nice little customization here. Lock screen display, show all notification content. This is where you have your notification screen, lock screen, show all notification content. So when you lock it, you can see the notification straight away when on your lock screen. Now this is the VR thing, which is I never tried it before, so let's just skip this one. Sound. So is there anything else in this sound department other than volume? No enhancement, to be honest with you. There is no Dolby Atmos, no crazy stuff. Just simply great hardware with a great sound. I'm gonna do a sound test later on against all other phones that I have, so you can just see where this phone falls on. What else we have? We finished with display, sound, storage. Now storage here, as you can see, it took around. No, it's not 11 gigabytes, guys. It's 9 gigabytes. I was playing around with the phone before that, So it's around 9 gigabytes of storage. This is great because this is 64 version, 64 gigabytes version. Privacy activity. So let's look at privacy, since this is a Google phone. Permission manager, show password, advanced Google location history. Oh, this is where the CIA, FBI stuff going on. So they're gonna track you where your phone. So they know where your phone is, and they know where you can find it. Just like with your if you have an Apple phone, iOS, there is something like that they can track your phone anywhere, anytime. So they have this thing. Other than that, nothing else special here. Location. So here you can just open the location or turn it off, but you can just do it in the notification. You don't need to put that. Then you can actually check out the permissions. Now some locations you can decide what app you make it available for them, so it's up to you. Also, this is great, they put it here, so no problems. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth scanning. Wi-Fi scanning, what is this? Allow apps and services to scan for Wi-Fi networks anytime and environment. This can be used, for example, improve location-based feature service. Bluetooth scanning. Allow apps to service. Oh yes, this is just to allow other apps to use that. There is nothing new here. Emergency location service on. Why it's on, guys? This is some FBI CI stuff, man. Called ELS. If ELS supported in your region, when you call or text emergency number, your device uses ELS to automatically send its location to emergency responses. Doing emergency call text may turn on your device location. So basically, people can know where you are here. Just let's turn it off. I don't need Google location history. I don't need people to know where I am. I don't need people to track me. Okay, we'll deal this later on. Security. Okay, security. Google Play protection and app scanning yesterday. So this is just to scan your applications. You have crazy apps. They're just gonna scan it and tell you if it's okay or not. Updates, of course. Show you updates. September 5th, 2019, guys. Android 10. Android version 10. That's it. Google Play, screen lock, swipe. Now this is where you can choose your whatever screen lock method. You can choose none if you don't want to, which is what I do. What else we have here? This is a fingerprint, of course, on the back. You also can use it as a slider for your notification, which is good actually. This encryption and I don't want to play with that stuff. That's it. Anyways, we finish with security, account, we skip it, accessibility. Now in accessibility you can check for font size, display size, dark theme. We went through that. Magnification, and just quick look. I want to go to the gesture, guys. I want to go to the most important thing. Now here's show you, it's a stereo sound. You can set it on mono. I don't know why they put it. Stereo is better than mono. Yeah, it doesn't make any sense. Unless if it does, let me know. What else we have here? System, digital well-being. Oh, digital well-being. Yeah, this is will show you where you use most application. It's most in Android 9 as well. So no enhancement here. System. Now this is a new stuff. This is a new thing in Android 10. When you click on gestures and you go to system navigation, you can choose to use 2 bottom navigation, 3 bottom navigation. This is the classic way. 2 bottom navigation. This is the Android 9. You know, the typical Pixel. If you're a Pixel user, you know how to use that. Just back, sliding up, and gesture navigation. This is a new thing, guys. Now this, if you are actually used to like Xiaomi phones, used to Huawei phones, and used to this navigation thing with the big screen phones, where you can just swipe up and have the apps there, or go back by sliding to the left. Simply, this is home for you. This is really great because I am using this, and I was struggling by using the second one or the first one, but now they added this one. It's really great. Now if you're right-handed, you can use this. If you're left-handed, also you can recognize that you're left-handed, so you can go back as well. You can go back in both ways, which is really great. Now this is really nice. Let's take a look. Now you can also customize the sensitivity of this one. You can have it high, low. I set it like medium to high, you know, because it's great to have it faster, you know. And also you can just go back if you don't want, if you don't want to go back, or maybe check things out and just go back. Also you can also switch between apps by clicking on this guy, this area over here. So let me just show, for example, I opened screen and I want to open messaging, right? So I can switch between these two guys by this way. Just small slide on this line over here, right, left, nothing. So this is really practical way to use it. And also you can just delete it, your application as usual. the way it is. Now, why did I get to the privacy? Let's go back to system. We finished with gestures. No, we didn't actually. We went to navigation, system navigation. No, here you can choose things like, for example, active edge. Now, what is active edge? Squeezing for OK Google. OK Google. I didn't subscribe for OK Google. I'm just playing with you. You can do it by just small squeeze, and then it's gonna show up. You see? Just because it shows you how you can do it over here. Now you can customize sensitivity as well. Let's go back. That's right. There you go. Small squeeze, and it's gonna show to you over here. Now swipe fingers for notification. This is from the back fingerprint. Jump to camera. Basically double click on the power. Flip camera to switch from back camera to front camera. Double tap to check phone. So double click, open the phone, and it has always on display, which is great as well. Left to check phone, turned it off because no point if you're gonna double tap it. Prevent ringing, double click the power and the volume up button to put it on silent, for example. Now let's go back and let's check the advanced if there's something else. This is the reset. You can just erase all your data, factory reset. It's over here. You can also check out the language. About the phone, here's where about phone. I want to go into about the phone. So nothing else here. You're just gonna about the phone. Just get information about the phone itself, what processor it does have, which is a Snapdragon 835. It's Android 10. So basically, I think I covered everything here on the quick setting. Next, I'm gonna try show you the camera and do some testing, and also I have a trick for you I'm gonna drop in the next video with the camera, which is no one does until now. Yes, I figured out a trick that you can do with the camera only on the Pixel that nobody did on YouTube. No one did it. So in the next video, click on the bell, guys. I'm gonna drop it soon, and see you guys later.